Hi, this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today I'm showcasing the Kingston KC2500. It's their new NVMe SSD, M.2 2280 size. This is in 1 terabyte. This is 45 times faster than a 7200 RPM hard drive. It comes with XTS AES 256-bit hardware-based encryption, and it has the latest Gen 3 x4 controller with 96 layers of 3D TLC NAND technology. It can read at 3500 megabits a second, and it can write at 2900 megabits a second. It's one of the fastest external or internal SSDs that I've tried, that I will be trying. Take a look at how small it is. You can fit that inside of a computer case, inside of an external enclosure, and I would suggest Thunderbolt 3 connection for that enclosure because of its speed with read and write. Imagine how fast you can load games or process video. Pretty crazy. It's a 1 terabyte. You can get them in 250 gigabytes all the way up to 2 terabytes in size. This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram.